Anyway, y'all, we here with Wiggins here, okay? And today I might do a little bit of customization, show you guys of me bleaching my knots, plucking it, and then like doing like a full install. Like I said, I don't know if this video is gonna stay. It's me talking through it, but for right now, this is what we are. So, of course, my box is ripped up. Thanks USPS or DHL, one of y'all. Y'all don't care about packages, but here's the hair inside. All right, y'all, let me stop playing. Oh, y'all, we got some pretty hair. This is an undetectable HD lace. This is a skin melt wig. This is transparent. Cap size is medium. Hair density is 25%. And this is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. I have the full description of the hair because I don't know what type of curly hair it is because I had it in front of me. Y'all can see this is the construction. Y'all can see how sheer this lace is, how thin it is, like it is transparent. Look, y'all see that? Now y'all can see the knots is not bleached. Well, anyway, this is a cap construction. I do take these combs out because, like I said, I don't care for the combs on the side, and I leave this one in, and it does have drawstrings at the nape. But look how thick this is gonna be. Pretty. I hope I execute this right. All right, guys, so this is what the unit looks like before I do any customization, and this looks hecka good. Like, I really don't need to be doing none of what I'm doing, but I want to show y'all what I do. Wiggins always do a great job. Anyway, we're just gonna go ahead and spray some water on this hair just to push everything back and out of the way. When I add my bleach, I don't want to see any of the hair strands at all, period, okay? Because if not, you're gonna have bleach on the hair strand. So make sure that's pushed up out of the way. Next, I'm going in with my favorite bleach, and I'm telling you guys, this stuff is a business. This is the only stuff I use on my knots, okay? So I don't really have like a precise measurement. I just eye it. I really want a consistency that's like toothpaste. So that's what I try to aim for. So yeah, y'all, I know I showed y'all 40 developer, but don't use 40. But this is the consistency that you want it. If you can turn your knife or whatever you're using over and it doesn't fall off, that's good. You're done. So now we're just going to go ahead and spread this all over the wig. And like I said, there's no really particular way to do this. Take a knife, a spoon, a fork, whatever you got, and just spread it on the knots. Be sure not to push too far down or too far hard onto the lace because the bleach will seep in and actually bleach the strands. And as you'll see, I end up doing that because y'all, I was pressing so hard. This process super fast. That's why I tell you guys do not use 40, use 10. It'll be slow. But I actually got some bleach on the hair strands. Alright guys, so I'm just pulling out some hair around the hairline. This extra hair is going to be your lifeline, and just in case, you know, you pluck some bald spots somewhere, okay? You got a little bit of room to work with to hide the bald spots. I do it all the time, okay? But anyway, I'm not even gonna sit here and attempt to explain how I pluck it because there's no words. I don't know how to explain it whatsoever, so I'm just gonna be quiet and let you guys watch. I did leave a little bit of clips in here so you guys can get a gist of what I'm doing, and I left it in real time, so hopefully that helps. So after I do that, I'm going in with my Y2 comb just to get rid of the excess hair that I did go ahead and pluck out. And once we do get rid of all that hair, we're going to push that excess hairline back. Now, if you're not going in to do no baby hairs, you are done after this step, okay? And I would actually say only do this step if you're not going to be doing any baby hairs, because it's not really necessary if you're doing baby hairs. But once I pull that excess hair back, I do go around the outside of the hairline and just pull some of the knots out just so it can look more realistic.
All right, guys, so this is what the other side look like. This is the side I didn't touch yet, okay? This is what it's given. It's given over processed, and this is the side I plucked. I noticed that if you do have over processed knots and you go in and pluck it, sis, what over processed knots? Where? All right, guys, so this is my unit. All right, she is plucked, she is washed and conditioned. I did use purple shampoo as well to tone down the brassiness of those knots, but we're just going in with our Erika J Wax stick to prep for hot combing. This step is crucial if you want your unit to look like it's coming out of your scalp, your forehead, wherever you sit in this wig at. If you don't do this step before, you might burn yourself. I don't even know if I did that in my older videos. Did I like cut the lace off and then hot comb it? That's probably why my wigs was not given back then, okay? But yeah. All right, guys, so we about to pop her back on. I took her off to put some cream foundation underneath. Y'all don't come from my raggedy braids. They've been in since the beginning of July. Y'all, it's October. I know better than that. But anyway, y'all, I'm putting on the lace. I do know that the cap size, I could have took a bigger size. My head circumference is a 21.5, and I got a medium. I need a bigger size. I have to get over the fact that my head just grew, or my braids are dirty and dingy and grew out, so it's not allowing the cap to fit on my head properly, but I will go with another size up, okay? But anyway, y'all, we're just gonna go ahead and secure the unit down. I'm just using my EBIN lace spray, adhesive spray, and we're just gonna set that down. Now with that spray, it's super strong, okay? I always say that when I use it, y'all. If y'all want that good hold, it's definitely stronger than gotta be glue. Want that good hold, you don't want your lace going nowhere, sis, get that. But look how amazing this is melting into my forehead. This is looking like it's coming directly out of my forehead. That's what we're giving. This is what we're looking for. So another tip as well is just to make sure you're pulling it nice and flat. That is going to give it that, okay, it's not a wig, okay? Because if you have your lace rolling up, if you have lumps and bumps and dents and stuff all in it, people will know that's a wig. So make sure you pull it as tight and flat as you possibly can get it. And also make sure you're using cool heat. If you use hot heat, I'm telling you, you're going to look ashy. Off camera, I did go ahead and apply my little, scarf. I let her sit. And we just about to pull down so we can see all this goodness. Let's see what, come on now. Come on, Wiggins. Y'all did that. That looks so freaking good. That melt, and I should just left it like this and did my curly hair routine and I would have been done with the video, but I wanted to be a little extra, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put the part back that they gave us, and as y'all will come to find out, I did overpluck in the middle of the wig, so it's a little baldy there. But we gonna fix it, y'all. Y'all already know I finesse my wigs. So we're just gonna go back in more with that wax stick to flatten out the middle. And we're going to use our hot comb to make sure everything is laid down. Now I'm just going to take some concealer and we're going to put it in the part. Once we put it in the part, we'll be able to see where we need to fill it in at. I'm just going to fill in that part actually with some black eyeshadow. You can use a Sharpie. You can use whatever you want to use. But I'm just going to use black eyeshadow just to fill it in so it won't look too bald, okay? Don't think you got to throw your whole lace away or cry or get upset. No, just fill it in. Get some black hairspray as well. You can use that. But anyway, y'all, we about to attempt these baby hairs. I shouldn't have did this because those baby hairs was not it. They were not giving and But anyway, y'all, I'm just going to go ahead and cut at an angle and attempt to do my C shape. My C shape is how I do my swoops. And I figured that out. And I figured out that was the best way I could explain how to do swoops. was just creating the letter C. Now, you can do backward C's too. I see people do that all the time, and those are pretty. But I haven't yet to try that, so that's on my list. All right, y'all, so we put our wrap back on because we got to let those baby hairs melt a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and detangle the hair. This hair is so thick and I'm obsessed. Like, I would just wear it like this. Like, I don't even want to put water on it. But when I washed the hair, I fell in love with how the hair looked wet. So we're going to do the wet hair look today. But anyway, y'all, this is some thick hair. The density is 250. I don't think I've ever had that before, ever. So did I say that already? I might have had another unit and I said that. But anyway, if I did, this is my second time. But y'all, this is true 250 density. It is amazing, okay? Like I said, I did wash it and condition it because I bleached the knot. So I did get a little bit of shedding washing it for the first time. I also got a little bit doing my curly hair routine as well. And like I said, that is expected. This is curly hair, okay? In my bottle, I know it looks a little weird looking. I put conditioner in there, y'all, because I was like, I'll be going through bottles of foam wrap lotion to try to get that wet hair look. So I've seen people use just water and conditioner. So I'm about to try it. And since I'm going to tell you, it did the dang thing. One thing you can't do is manipulate the curls. Once they in with that Denman brush, you got to leave them alone and just let them air dry completely. Don't use no blow dryer. Just let them air dry. And I promise you that your hair will stay looking soft and the curl pattern would just be locked in. So that's just a technique that I've used. Now, I didn't use a specific conditioner. I just used one I found in my room from Family Dollar. It probably was $1, to be honest. So that is pretty much it, y'all. I'm in love with this hair. Like I said, love the volume, loved everything about it. I haven't experienced tangling yet. This is my first install. I have washed it, like I stated before. But y'all, this is pretty. I really would like to see what it would look like blowed out or just with water and it air dried. It would have been nice and fluffy and, you know, it would be full. But I just wanted to try it this way because the curls were just super duper pretty. I just love it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to check out the description section below. All the information will be down there in regards to the hair. And sorry I didn't have the texture of the hair and the voiceover, but it will be down in the description section, y'all. This is some pretty hair, period. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed. And until my next one, she will see you later. Bye, guys. I said she. I'm speaking in third party, y'all. Third party. I mean, third person. Let me go. Let me go.